We continue today with the theory of networks with so-called network theory. It's so-called clustering coefficient. Clustering coefficient, okay? When we have a network, one to two, 1 to 3, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 2 to 4, 2 to 6, 5 to 1, and 5 to 6, okay? Imagine we have this network, and 2 to 5. Just 5 units. The clustering coefficient of the network, it's equal 1 divided by n. N, remember, is the number of nodes, times the sum for all nodes, 2 times L sub e divided by k sub e minus 1, where L sub e is the number of connections between the neighbors of E, and k sub E is the number of neighbors of E. Okay, so with this definition, what is clustering coefficient of node number 1? 2 times the amount of relationships between their neighbors. What are the neighbors of number 1? Is 2 and 5 and 3. 2, 3, and 5 are the neighbors of 1. How many connections are between 2, 3, and 5? 1 and 2. Okay, 2, 3, and 5 connect by 2, 2, 3, and 2, 5. So L sub E is equal to 2 divided by K sub E, number of neighbors of node number 1 is 1, 2, 3. 3 times 3 minus 1, which amounts for 0.66. Okay. Please do the same for the rest of the nodes. Let's calculate again the clustering coefficient of all the numbers. Clustering coefficient of 2, following the formula, 2 times L sub 2. The number of neighbors of 2 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the number of connections between them are 1, 2, 3, and 4. 2 times 4. Number of neighbors is 5 times 5 minus 1 is 0.4. Clustering coefficient of, is it clear? Clustering coefficient of 3 is 2 times. How many neighbors do I have? 2, 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, and 4. How many connections do they have between them? 1 and 2. 2 divided by 3 neighbors times 3 minus 1, 0.66. Clustering coefficient of 4 is 1 neighbor, 2 neighbors. Okay, so I only have 2 neighbors. And they have only 1 relationship between each other, so this is 1. Clustering coefficient of 5, I have 1, 2, 3 neighbors, and they have 1 connection, 2 connections. So 2 times 2 divided by 3 times 3 minus 1, 0.66. clustering coefficient of 6 is 2 times 1, 2, okay. One connection between them, 2 neighbors, 2 minus 1 is equals 1. If we add it up, clustering coefficient is 1 divided by 6, 0.73. Okay?